Hi, everybody. Well, it is week 15 and it is the last module. So I thought I would celebrate because, yay, it's the last module. It's the last week. So I'm wearing my nebula scarf. It has actual nebula pictures on it. It is one of my favorite astronomy things. And I wanted my headband with stars on it. And yeah, I couldn't find the real one. So I have adapted the situation a little bit. But I'm proud of you. It is really easy to quit, and it takes a lot of hard work and perseverance to make it to the end of anything. And so thank you for a great semester. Thank you for lots of good questions. And one more week to go, and you're done. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful life of looking at stars and constellations and joy with the wonderful universe we live in. Let's take a look at what's going on this week. We're going to talk about competing theories. We're going to talk about the Big Bang theory, and we are going to talk about the steady state theory, which was the theory that competed with Big Bang theory. And so what is it? What is the evidence for it? And why do people say, yep, that is what we really believe how the universe began? So we're going to talk about the evidence for that theory. We're going to talk about cosmology and the inflation of the universe, evidence for that, and the ideas that the universe is actually speeding up its rate of inflation. The four fundamental forces, the fact that early in the moments of the universe, there were very few forces, and as we got closer to the moments of the beginning of the cosmos, there were less and less forces. That observing project that you have been working on throughout the semester, that is now due. That is your last lab. Some of you have turned it in early, but if you have not, that is due. Now, one lab does get dropped, but this one does not get dropped. It is not in that category. So please turn that in. It is, even if it's partially done, I am excited to see what you have. We do have a final exam this week. And the final exam, there is going to be a final exam review, very much like the midterm. It is not designed to include every single question that will be on the final, but it'll get your head in the mode. There is also a final exam review key. You can use this as a way to check yourself after you've studied, or a way to kind of get your head back in the game. Final exam, same thing that the midterm was, 75 questions. You have 1 hour to do it. We have gone through another 8 weeks worth of topics, so approximately 8-9 questions per topic. The only thing that is left over from the beginning of the semester that might be on there is all 44 constellations are fair game on this final exam. So there will be 8 or 9 constellation questions, and then 8 or 9 on every topic that we have gone through the second half of the semester. The final's just over the second half of the semester. The midterm was on the first half, and the only thing that bridges that is the constellations. So thank you, and I hope you have had a little bit of fun. I hope you feel a little bit smarter, and I hope you enjoy astronomy for the rest of your life. You could tell I do. And it's been a treat working with all of you. Have a great time. And if I see you in the halls, or you see me in the halls, please stop and say hello. Have a good one. Bye-bye.